What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a patty melt. You're talking to me and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, patty melt? What are you talking about? Patty mayonnaise? Dead funny? No. But we will get to that in a minute. Just hold your horses, Buster. So, patty melt is a classic sandwich. You may have had it at the diner. You may have had it off Mama's stove, or you may have never had it before, and we're going to have it now. But to have it, you got to make it, so let's make it and get on with it. Now, first thing you got to do, you're going to have a patty melt, got to have that beef, baby, because the beef is the main ingredient. It's like that little lady from Wendy's talking about, where's the beef? So, let's get our beef today, just some old ground beef, and we're going to make our own patties. Now, you can get the pre-made patties, but it's a little more money, and we're going to make these look beautiful. So, go ahead and take them and roll them up into a ball. To me, a pound, you should be able to get 4 patties out of it. Roll it up into a ball like that, and then flatten it out. I like to smash mine good, not no smash burger, but make it thin because it's going to shrink as it cooks. So it's going to be like Honey, I Shrunk the Kid out there with old, what's his name, Rick Moranis up here. So let's go ahead and get our burger. Now, get our skillet and get it hot. Try it just like you. Put that burger down in there, and for the seasoning, sir, just a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and a little garlic for Dracula looking around the corner. Now, put that in the pan, flip it around, once or twice. Shouldn't have it in there very long. Don't be in there smoking no doobie watching 3 Ninjas like, somebody was. I'm not going to name names. But then, you get your burger to where it's got that good color on it. It's looking good. And we need that cheese. And today, I got some American cheese. It's like Sergeant Slaughter out there just saluting the flag. And most people are saying to themselves, like, oh, couldn't you have had that white cheese? Well, you really should have the white cheese. But this is what I have in the fridge. And I ain't go back to the store because I got time for that shit. So, the Americano, it was. So, put that on there. If you got a lid, put it on there. If you don't, the hell with it, dude. But it will help your cheese kind of melt there, buddy. So, patty melt. Now, how'd you make her melt? Don't set her outside too long. Now, go ahead and get that cheese, get it melted, and now we're going to take that out. And this is where we assemble our sandwich. We're going to get this bread, and here's the secret, like the patty mayonnaise, like I was talking about. I like to put just a little bit of mayonnaise on the inside, not the outside. It kind of gives it that ooh, and you're saying to yourself, like, when I've made it before, I've seen it made people put the cheese on last, but you can do that if you want. I'll do it my way. Watch how I do it. It's going to be good. So, get our mayonnaise, put that down, put our burger on top, mayonnaise on the other side, but we're also going to add le bacon. And you're saying, like, when did you make that? Last night. I made it. Oh, I made it. I'm not going to say that. Me and your mama was making bacon. So, but what I do is my business after hours. I just happen to have it, and we're going to put it on here. Now, let's go ahead and put some bacon on there. Put our bread on top. Cook it kind of like a grilled cheese, like you're staying home from school watching The Price is Right. And once your bread gets crisp, we're ready for a sight and a big old bite of this patty melt tonight, aren't we, ladies? So, alright, buddy, the time has come. Le patty melt is done, and I'm having the first cheesy bite for myself because I'm looking at this thing and it's gooey, cheesy, ooey, gooey, so it'll be good. Toast. Now I do want to give it a touch, don't I? That's the thing about it, call me crazy. With that mayonnaise in there, really mixes with that melted cheese and gives you something good. And that burger cooked classically with that seasoning. Really just can't beat it, boys. So, I'm glad you beat your butt over here to watch another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on the YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me, I'm about to have this patty melt and another patty melt, and then we're about to see what I'm talking about. Now, excusez-moi.